Hey copy nerds, today I'm gonna talk about the number one thing that is keeping you from actually becoming a successful copywriter. And it is templates. Basically, all the copywriting world is flooded with templates. Like everyone is selling templates. I'm gonna give you this perfect template so you can do this 100 million sales page and 100 million email, and you can do all of this money just following this simple template and fill the blank spaces. But I'm gonna tell you why that is the number one reason that is actually keeping you away from success. And it's because templates are unpersonal. Like nowadays we hate so much having noticing people is noticing way more that things are the same. You hate when you get an email and you feel like this wasn't for me, right? This was for millions of people. And that's the thing about copywriting. You can make it for millions, but it's read one person at a time. So it's really powerful, guys, to make it personal. So we feel that they're talking exactly to me. So I get persuaded and I want to buy and I trust. There's nothing more untrustworthy than a template. So that's the number one thing. The second, it's that it's gonna be the same for everyone. Like everyone's gonna get the same and it's gonna stop working. And the third one is that you're gonna get dependent of them. So what happens the day that you don't have a template for that specific thing? What happens when that template stops working, right? What are you gonna do? So what I recommend, rather than blindless templates that you maybe can use for inspiration, but for that matter I just prefer a swipe file and having some really good examples so you can follow them in a way. But I truly believe that the most powerful thing are principles, are knowing all the psychology behind that, so you know how it works and you can replicate it. Doesn't matter what type of copy, doesn't matter what kind of product you're selling, what kind of offer are you doing. And using formulas, because formulas are really good. Just like ADA, PAS, golden circle, future pacing. Like for example, ADA, you have to write like A is for attention, interest, desire, and then action. So you have this formula, you have these quick steps, so you know where to start, and you secure yourself that you are putting the things that are necessary. So you see your copy and you're like okay, am I grabbing people's attention? Okay, I got the A. Am I making some interest in arising some curiosity? Yes. Am I putting the desire? Yes. And then the action that people need to make. Other one that I use so much is the golden circle technique, in which you put first the why people should buy, then how are they gonna achieve this. Mostly the why is an emotion, then how, and at the end you put the what, which is the product. So you're telling why they should buy, how are they gonna achieve this that you promised, and then the what. Another good one that it's really seen is PAS, which is pain, agitate, and then solve. So you're telling people what is the pain that they have, what is the fire, what is the thing that they want to put out. Then you agitate it, you exaggerate it, you make the problem like something bigger than it is. So in that way people get attracted and they give it more importance to it, right? More priority in their lives. And then when they're in the edge, you just save them with your product, right? So these formulas apply in any circumstance. So you are not dependent on those lame templates, but you know what to do. You're not dependent on anyone. So follow this trick, guys. Learn the principles, learn the psychology behind how does it work. Use some formulas if you want. Formulas are really good. And if you want to have any template, or you buy a course and you get a template, use it just as inspiration, right? You don't use it as it is. Don't ever fill the blank spaces up, because that's what exactly is keeping you away from actually becoming a good copywriter in the long term. So we're talking about being a copywriter in the long term, being able to sell anything that you want and become a copywriter. So if you liked it, if you want to see more of these trainings in the video, guys, please subscribe down below. Also, I did a free PDF about 101 headlines from 101 different niches. So if you are working in a specific niche, there's a really high chance that it is down below in that PDF. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Avoid templates, go with the principles, go with the formulas, and thanks for watching.